Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the FTSE futures for Thursday, November 9. For the record, today is Wednesday, November 8th. Time is around 6:20 p.m. GMT. So, like I explained in my previous video, very corrective price action in the FTSE. Here, if we look at the higher time frame, look, this is very sideways and corrective price action. So I will be honest about this. This is really difficult to make some kind of forecast. If you're moving in tree, then you can literally go any direction. And so, yeah, this makes it hard to come up with a reliable forecast for the FTSE. Nevertheless, in my last video, I presented my view, a bearish one and a bullish one. If you're interested in this, please have a look at that video. But for now, I focus here on the lower time frame. And so here we are looking at the 1 hour chart. And in my previous video, I told you here on the 1 hour, I'm looking for an impulse from this low as indicated here in green. So this is then our wave 1, this or wave 2, this or wave 3 right here. So now I think we are working on the wave 4. As you can see, we are in the wave 4 area. So if we take the length of the wave 3, then the area here between the 0.382 and the 0.618 FIB retracement is the wave 4 area. And so from here, we can expect a fifth wave. Now, as you can see, we come quite close to the extreme boundary of this wave 4 area. And so if we would not respect this wave 4 area, then there might still be a chance that we had our impulse right here as a wave 1. So 5 waves from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do not really favor this count in reds because it does not really respect my guidelines for impulsive waves. And so, but yeah, of course, if we take out the lower boundary here and we respect the low right here, then it has to be an impulse here as a wave 1, and then we are actually working on the wave 2 down, and then we have something corrective like as an A, B, C. And if we would take out this low right here, yeah, then we have something completely different, I would say. Then we have to look again at the higher time frame, which kind of corrective move we could be doing. But so primary scenario, I believe still the fifth wave up we have to do. However, if we do not respect the wave 4 area, then I think the wave 1 might be located here, and we are currently working on the wave 2 down. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another update about the FTSE. Have a nice day. Bye bye.